Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I'm crossing the Deep River. This is Cedar Falls where I am. It's a small community. You guys got a fishing rod. And although I normally wouldn't do it, we want to see the electrical refurbishment in progress. Now to the right is the old post office, and to the left is the old textile mill. That one textile mill goes back to the Civil War part of it. Be prepared to stop. This is the road to White's Memorial Church. Okay, and they're basically telling me, be careful, go slow. And we see there's two cranes working, and I'm watching in case somebody steps out. I want to be very careful. That road there goes up a hill. I got somebody behind me. This is Duke Energy. And there's a person coming up at this end, just past the flashing light. There we go. Oh, River Rat. There, right there. That's the road that goes up the hill. It's called River Rat. River Rat Road. There was a school up there. Yeah, River Rat Road. And that's why the kids around this area, when they're growing up and they play down in the deep river, they're called river rats. Now I'm going to go down and turn around. Just have to find a suitable place. You can see they had a lot of early warning signs. Hang on. Brickyard Cemetery. That's probably a landmark. I hadn't noticed that before. I'm going to turn left here on Cedar Grady Road. Cedar Falls Mobile Home Park. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. I'm looking behind me. A lot of mailboxes right there. Okay, now we're going to see it from the other direction. Now this is a narrow country road. I love that name, River Rat. Brickyard, Cedar Falls Methodist Cemetery. There probably was another church, maybe on that lot, and it's gone, and that's what's left of it once being there. And that's not unusual. There's one like that in Ramseur. As a matter of fact, I think I'll add it onto the video to demonstrate what I mean. One lane road ahead. We're being careful. Got another sign warning us. Be prepared to stop. It'll be better when we get into the shade of the trees. Then we see the American flag up on the left. There's some kind of community center up on River Rat Road. Okay, he's saying go ahead. I want to be careful about him. PSG is the name on the truck for the flagging. Now we're seeing the workers up there. And there's a new pole, or an old pole. The old pole's on the right-hand side of the road, and they're putting the new pole in. You can tell that's an old pole there to the right. I have Shaggy the bark is. Okay, fine. PSG, flagging, whatever. All right? And we want to go left. And we're good. Okay. So, Duke Energy Progress. This area is actually known, the holding company is actually known as Duke Energy Progress. This used to be Progress Energy. And then Duke bought it out. And we're headed toward Franklinville. Before I said a cemetery in Ramseur, and I meant to say Franklinville. It looks like the parking lot here is full for Sapana. Sapana is the name of the language of the Indians, the people who were living here when the European settlers first arrived. Steve A. 4L saying see you in 73.